What if every YouTube video you shared had a buy button sitting right inside it? Not below it, not beside it, inside it, on the exact product, at the exact second your viewer wants it. That's not the future. That's VidShopr AI, and it's available right now. Here's the ugly truth about affiliate marketing today. You share a great video. Your viewer watches the whole thing. They are interested. They are ready to buy. They close the tab because your link was in the description, and nobody scrolls down. Description links convert at under 1%. That means 99 out of every 100 people who watch your video generate zero revenue for you. It's not your niche. It's not your traffic. It's not your offer. It's where your buy button lives. VidShopr AI fixes this permanently. Paste any YouTube video URL. Drag a shoppable tag onto any product in the frame. Add your affiliate link. Copy one line of embed code. Done. Now every viewer sees a clickable buy button inside the video, right on the product, at the exact second they want it. Our users see 8 to 16% CTR. That's 10 to 15 times higher than a description link. Same traffic, same offers, completely different result. Ankit set up his first campaign in 9 minutes. $340 in Amazon commissions. Week 1, James had 50,000 monthly views and was earning $180 a month. Switched to VidShopr, $1,240 the very next month. Same traffic, nothing else changed. Priya went from under 1% CTR on her fashion page to 14.2% CTR, $890 in month 1. And Marcus, zero affiliate experience, made his first commission on day 3. VidShopr AI works with YouTube long-form, YouTube Shorts, and any MP4 video URL. Any affiliate network, Amazon, ClickBank, Launchpad, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, any link works. One-click embed code that works on WordPress, Shopify, ClickFunnels, any website. Real-time analytics showing exactly which tags are converting. Commercial rights included. Charge clients $300 to $500 per campaign setup. And right now, it's $14. One time, no monthly fees. Ever. This is a launch special. The price goes up when the timer hits 0. Click the button below right now. Get instant access. Set up your first shoppable campaign in under 10 minutes. And if it doesn't deliver, full refund within 30 days. No questions asked. Your buy button is in the wrong place right now. VidShopr AI moves it where buyers actually are. Click below. Let's go.